In some DJI drones like the Avata 2, you have something that is called turtle mode. But what is that? Turtle mode is a fantastic feature that you're going to use if you crash the drone and it's ending up upside down like this, because if you then try to start the drone, you're just going to fly it that way, and that will of course not work. But then we have the turtle mode, and I'm going to show you what it does with the drone. So first of all, let's imagine that we are crashing the drone here somewhere, like here. Let's put it upside down here. And now it's pretty messed up because we don't really know where the drone is, or you may be crashed on a roof somewhere and you can't really access it. Then I'm going to show you exactly what we're going to do. So let's go into the menu. Now we can see that the drone is upside down. Let's go to the menu to the left. We go to settings, we go to control, and here we have the turtle mode. And let's engage that. And the drone now just flipped upside down. And we can see that it kind of cut away some grass as well. So now when we are here, let's see if the drone can take off, because we are in some kind of grass here. So let's go out of the menu, and then we're going to double press these lock buttons. So we start the propellers, and then we're going to press and hold. And the drone actually managed to take off from the ground. So what is the limitations we have here, and how is this working? Well, let us land again and you can see what's going on here. So let's land. And the thing is that here is the limitation. Let's see what's going to happen if we're going to engage it and the drone is like this. Let's put it here again. Let's go into the menu. Turtle mode is not required, it says, because the drone is going to sense if it's upside down and if the turtle mode will do any difference, and then it will be possible to use it. The next thing we're going to do, that is to see each other in that playlist up here, because that is my DJI Avata 2 playlist, and hopefully you're going to find a lot more useful videos there. They're going to help you in your flying journey with your Avata 2. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good one. Bye.